Hi, it's RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, please call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m., 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description you'll find my email and website info. And like I tell everybody, vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you and act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and add additional perks. Please click the subscribe and like button. It costs you nothing, and all it does is tell YouTube to share my channel with more people looking for vacation contact. We publish a new video, I should say we try to publish a new video every 2 weeks. And today's video is going to be about Playa Mia Grande Beach Park. It was an excursion on the Disney Dream. It's in Cozumel, Mexico, and all I can tell you is it's not my first time there. I've been there multiple times. It's amazing. Staff was extremely nice. They have beach chairs with umbrellas, food, alcohol, all kinds of drinks, all-inclusive buffet with a huge roof covering over it, so you don't have to worry about if it rains. Everything's extremely clean. Beach, ocean activities, lots of shops, lockers for your clothes. It cost about $20 from the cruise port to get to the beach park for 4 people. It was about a 20-minute drive. They had 2 pools there. I stayed at the one that basically was for more the adults. It didn't have all the kids attractions to it, but there's enough there to do for your whole entire family, whether you have children, non-children. It's just a great place. Hope you enjoy the video. I hope you go check out the Playa Mia Grande Beach Park, and hopefully you like it just like I liked it. So take care. Hopefully I talk to you soon, and make sure you give me a call when you're planning your next vacation. Alright, bye bye.